Far below, little Cutie scanned the afternoon sky until he finally caught sight of Migazy gliding along effortlessly. Okay, now what, he thought. Just then, a familiar voice called from somewhere inside the dense undergrowth of the forest.
There he is!
It was Jagog. He was thrilled to see little Cutie. He didn't like to admit it, but Jagog was a very lonely little skunk.
Man, it is so good to see you,
Jagog said, and abruptly pulled little Cutie to him for a good tight hug. It's nice to see you too, Jagog, little Cutie replied.
You know, little Cutie, you're the only friend I've got. All the other animals are afraid of me. I don't know why. I'm a peaceful kind of guy.
Are you sure it's fear? Little Cutie asked.
What else?
Jagog was unaware of any issues concerning odor. Since little Cutie's nose was nothing more than a black felt triangle, he didn't notice either. Hey, Jagog, can I ask you for a favor?
Anything for you, my Niji,
Jagog happily responded. Can you help me get Migazy's attention? I need to talk to him about something. Jagog's tail shot up, and a grave look of concern fell over his face. He was prone to overreact under the first sign of trouble.
Why? What's the matter?
He asked. I'm going on a vision quest.
What's a vision quest?
I don't know, but I guess you're supposed to go on one before you move out of the house, little Cutie said, knowing how silly that sounded.
You're moving out? What about Aubrey?
Little Cutie felt a pang of sadness at the mention of her name. It was the first time he had ever experienced that. Well, that's sort of the problem, he said. Aubrey's outgrown me, and now I'm probably going to have to live with the bears in the old res dump.
Wait, the real bears? Are you out of your mind?
Jagog exclaimed.
You'd be lucky if they didn't use you as a pillow.
Really?
Come on, little Cutie. You've got no claws. You've got no teeth. Bears are big, vicious fatzos who never share any of their delicious garbage with me.
Do you really think I'd fit in so poorly with them? Little Cutie asked, even though he knew the answer.
I'm telling you, little Cutie, if you think the humans are bad...
I don't think they're bad. I just think, well, he didn't want to say it, but little Cutie was thinking, what kind of a person just grows tired of another? Maybe he wasn't much of a bear, but the forest animals all seemed to like him. Didn't Aubrey remember the good times anymore? Was she really too old for him now? Sure, it's probably a little embarrassing to be carrying around some old baby toy, but little Cutie couldn't continue. He leaned his tiny head on Jagog's shoulder and started to cry. Oh, let's stop right there.